What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone for You. In today's video I've got the Xiaomi Mi 11 and on my last video I did show you how you can unlock the bootloader using the latest Mi Flash tool. But in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can flash the official global ROM to this phone, which will have multi-languages and Google Play Store straight in the box. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. First, you need to connect to your computer. Okay, let's open Chrome and then go to the MIUI website. And then click on the english.miui.com. Once you're on the website, just click on download. On the browser, you have the option to choose the model of the phone. I just selected the Mi 11 from the drop-down list and then submit. From here, then just click on the flashing guide. And then what you need to do, go onto the fastboot updates. And then scroll down and find your device on that list. So I want the Xiaomi Mi 11 global stable, so that's the one you wanted. So once you click on that, it will download that for you. And once you're here, you need this software, the MIUI ROM flash tool, which will allow you to flash the device using this software. So I've already have these downloaded. I have them on my screen here. So everything is there. So I'm just going to open up this folder. And then once you download it, you'll have these two files. That's what you're going to need. So right click on the Mi Flash and then extract. And then click OK, and then right click on this the global ROM and then extract file as well, then OK. That has now finished extracting the file. Now I need these two files which I've already extracted. So I'm just gonna put the phone into fastboot mode, just power off. Then press the volume down and then while you power on. So your phone is now in fastboot mode, but please note, first you have to make sure the bootloader has been unlocked before you do this, otherwise it won't work. If you want to see how you can get your bootloader unlocked, feel free to check my other video, or I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. So now open the Mi Flash, and then you need to run this Xiaomi flash.exe. That's the program you need to run. Just double click on that, and then it will give you this window. So if you do refresh, your device will show here. If your device doesn't show, make sure you check on the device manager and make sure you install all the drivers for the ADB driver, the Qualcomm driver, and the Xiaomi Android device driver. Once they're all installed and no error showing on the device manager, and then your device is, put your device in fastboot mode, and then you'll see here. So the next thing you need to do, just click on select, then browse to that file where that file is, which is in the desktop, and then it will be on the Mi Flash, not the Mi global version. And then select this, and then select this folder, then OK. So the folder you need, just open this, and then you need to select it. This is where you need to browse on this folder, and then click OK. And the next thing is very important because you cannot lock the bootloader after you flash the global ROM. So we'll make sure you tick at the bottom clean all, don't clean and lock, because if you do that, then your phone won't boot up. It will get stuck onto the MIUI logo when you're trying to boot it up. So make sure you select clean all before you proceed. So once you select the ROM on the top, and then your device is showing, you just have to make sure you click on clean all. And then once you do those three things, you can proceed to the next step, and then you just need to click on flash. Okay, once you get this error, all you need to do, you just need to go back to the folder where the ROM is, and then open the ROM you extracted, then open the folder, and then you'll see, just show you. So when you click flash, what it does, it just run this file here, flash_all.bat. So you need to find that file within that ROM. So just open the folder you extracted and find that file, and then you can right click and then do edit, and then all you need to do, just remove these first few lines up to there, and leave anything with fastboot on it, just these. Once you select all, just delete by pressing delete on the keyboard, or right click and then just delete. Once you delete those files, and you just click on file and then save, which will override the file. The next thing you need to do, just go back and then right click, copy this file into your C drive, go onto C drive, yeah, and local disk C, and then paste that whole folder in there. Then that has now finished copying the file over, so you just need to click on select, and then go back into this PC. Now you go to C drive, click on the arrow on the C drive and find that folder which is there, then select it, then click OK. Yeah, and then make sure you double check that you click on clean all, and then just do a refresh, and then now click on flash, and there you go. And then that Mi Flash tool will proceed formatting your phone. So I'm just gonna leave it running, and then once it's completed, the phone will restart. But please note, the first reboot will take a few minutes, then I'll take you through the initial installation. You can see the phone has now restarted. It says at the end, it says that there is an error, but don't worry, just leave the phone. It will just reboot, and everything should come back on as normal. So I'm just gonna carry on the phone. and then you just leave it running because the first boot up can take up to 5 minutes. So just don't worry, just leave the phone running, and it will proceed to the initial setup. So you can now unplug the phone from your computer. There you go. So the phone is back on now. So I'm just gonna go quickly through the initial setup. As you can see, it's got multi-languages there, and yeah, everything is there, all the languages. I'm just gonna proceed. So the phone is now back on. I'm gonna go through the it is on just gonna go settings, and if you look about the phone, it's got the MIUI global version stable. If you tap on that, it will check for updates. No updates available, so that's the latest one. And one important thing, once you have unlocked the bootloader and installed the official global ROM, you cannot lock the bootloader because the phone will stuck on a boot loop. So don't lock the bootloader, and everything should work as it should, as normal. Yeah, that's it from me. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and enable notification for more video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.